Hey there, today we're embarking on a journey into the world of blogging. Buckle up, because we've got a lot to cover. I'm Robin Rhodes, your guide through the twists and turns of the blogosphere. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or a newbie with big dreams, this video is packed with insights to help you navigate the ever-changing landscape of blogging. We'll unravel the mysteries of blogging, what it is, how to do it like a pro, and whether there's still gold to be found in the blogging hills. So grab a snack, get cozy, and let's dive right in. What is blogging? Blogging has come a long way since its inception. From humble online diaries to powerful platforms driving social change, blogs have become an integral part of the digital landscape. But what exactly is blogging? At its core, blogging is the art of sharing thoughts, ideas, and information through written, visual, or audio content on an online platform known as a blog. Whether it's a personal journey, a professional endeavor, or a hobby-turned-business, blogging provides a platform for individuals and organizations to connect with audiences worldwide. The definition of blogging has expanded beyond traditional text-based posts. With the advent of multimedia content, bloggers are exploring new avenues to engage their audience. From visually captivating videos to thought-provoking podcasts, bloggers are leveraging various formats to deliver compelling content. Social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube have also become integral to blogging, allowing creators to reach wider audiences and foster communities around their content. How to become a successful blogger? Becoming a successful blogger requires more than just publishing content online. It involves mastering the art of storytelling, understanding your audience, and navigating the digital landscape with finesse. Here are some key strategies to help you excel in blogging. 1. Choosing the right blogging platform. With a plethora of blogging platforms available, it's essential to choose one that aligns with your goals and objectives. WordPress, Blogger, Medium, and Wix are popular choices, each offering unique features and functionalities. Consider factors such as ease of use, customization options, and audience reach when selecting a platform for your blog. 2. Crafting compelling content. Content is king in the world of blogging. Whether you're writing articles, creating videos, or recording podcasts, focus on delivering high-quality, valuable content that resonates with your audience. Conduct thorough research, share personal anecdotes, and strive to provide solutions to your audience's problems. Remember, authenticity and originality are key to standing out in a crowded online space. 3. Building and engaging your audience. Building a loyal audience is essential for the long-term success of your blog. Engage with your audience through comments, social media interactions, and email newsletters. Encourage discussions, respond to feedback, and create a sense of community around your blog. Utilize social media platforms to promote your content and reach new audiences. 4. Monetizing your blog. While passion drives many bloggers, monetization is also a viable option for turning your blog into a sustainable income stream. Explore various monetization strategies such as affiliate marketing, sponsored content, digital products, and online courses. However, it's essential to maintain authenticity and integrity in your monetization efforts to preserve trust with your audience. In an era dominated by social media influencers and digital content creators, some may question the relevance of traditional blogging. Adapting to changing trends and technologies, here's why blogging remains a valuable pursuit. 1. Authenticity and authority. Unlike social media platforms where content is often fleeting and ephemeral, blogs provide a platform for in-depth exploration and analysis. Bloggers have the freedom to express their opinions, share their expertise, and establish themselves as thought leaders in their respective niches. This authenticity and authority are invaluable in building trust and credibility with audiences. 2. Diversification of content. While social media platforms offer immediacy and virality, blogs provide a space for long-form content and in-depth storytelling. Bloggers can explore complex topics, share detailed tutorials, and provide comprehensive guides that may not be feasible on other platforms. This diversification of content allows bloggers to cater to different audience preferences and engage with readers on a deeper level. 3. Ownership and control. Unlike social media influencers who are at the mercy of algorithm changes and platform policies, bloggers have full ownership and control over their content and platforms. This independence allows bloggers to maintain creative control, protect their intellectual property, and build a loyal audience that is invested in their brand. 4. Longevity and sustainability. While social media trends come and go, blogs have stood the test of time. Many successful blogs have been around for years, consistently producing valuable content and fostering vibrant communities. With the right strategies and dedication, blogging can provide a sustainable income stream and a platform for long-term growth and success. Here are some popular bloggers across different niches. 1. Fashion and lifestyle. Chiara Ferragni. Known as one of the world's top fashion influencers, Chiara Ferragni's blog covers fashion, beauty, travel, and lifestyle. Amy Song. Amy Song's blog showcases her impeccable sense of style, featuring fashion inspiration, travel diaries, and home decor tips. 2. Personal development and entrepreneurship. Tim Ferriss. Tim Ferriss is a best-selling author and entrepreneur known for his blog, where he shares productivity hacks, business insights, and lifestyle optimization tips. Marie Forleo. Marie Forleo's blog focuses on personal development, entrepreneurship, and building a purpose-driven business, offering practical advice and inspirational content. 3. Travel. Nomadic Matt. Nomadic Matt's blog is a go-to resource for budget travelers, offering tips on saving money while traveling, destination guides, and travel stories from around the world. The Points Guy. The Points Guy blog provides valuable insights into travel hacking, airline loyalty programs, and maximizing credit card rewards for frequent flyers. 4. Food and cooking. Sally McKinney. Sally's Baking Addiction is a popular food blog known for its delicious dessert recipes, baking tips, and stunning food photography. David Lebovitz. David Lebovitz's blog features mouth-watering recipes, culinary adventures, and insights into Parisian cuisine from the perspective of an American expat living in France. 5. Finance and investing. Mr. Money Mustache. Mr. Money Mustache's blog is dedicated to financial independence and early retirement, offering frugal living tips, investment advice, and strategies for achieving financial freedom. Ramit Sethi. Ramit Sethi's blog provides practical advice on personal finance, investing, and building wealth, with a focus on automation, optimization, and psychology. 6. Parenting and family. Jillian Harris. Jillian Harris's blog covers a range of topics related to motherhood, family life, home decor, and entertaining, offering inspiration and advice for modern parents. Deuce. Deuce is a popular parenting blog known for its honest and humorous take on motherhood, mental health, and everyday life. These are just a few examples of popular bloggers in various niches. Each of these bloggers has built a strong brand, cultivated a loyal following, and established themselves as authorities in their respective fields through consistent quality content and engaging storytelling. In conclusion, continues to be a dynamic and rewarding pursuit for individuals and organizations worldwide. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or a newcomer to the scene, there's never been a better time to start sharing your voice and building your digital presence. By mastering the art of storytelling, engaging your audience, and staying true to your values, you can carve out your niche in the blogosphere and make a meaningful impact in the digital world. So whether you're passionate about fashion, technology, travel, or personal finance, remember that the world of blogging is vast and full of opportunities. Embrace creativity, stay authentic, and never underestimate the power of your voice in shaping the digital landscape. Well, folks, that's a wrap on our deep dive into the world of blogging, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Robin H. Rhodes for more insightful content on blogging and digital entrepreneurship. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy blogging!